Hey YouTube, today I'm working on a 2011 Ford Explorer Limited model, and the 110 power outlet has been causing some problems. What's going on is if you plug something in, it'll just fall out. So we want to get a new one in here. It's a very easy parts change. I ordered this on Amazon for like 13 bucks. It's very affordable. This is the Ford part number. The only thing holding this in are 4 clips that are built in. One here, here, and then on the bottom. So what you want to do is get a small flathead screwdriver and carefully pry these out. Well, this one came out real easy. If you can get right over the clip, it'll usually pop right out. There we go. On the bottom of the connector is a button. Push that. The old one will slide off. Put your new one on and pop back into place. And now you should be able to use your accessories without them falling out going down the road. As you can see, this one is nice and snug just the way you want it. Hope this video helps. If it does, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.